Good morning and welcome back. Glad you can join me. Today I'm making mangu con los tres golpes. So the first part of this video was actually recorded the night before, where I pre-prepped the plantain and the onion. Disclaimer, I was supposed to cook the same day. It didn't happen, but it's okay. It was actually perfect because I was able to let the onions soak in vinegar. So here I am butchering the heck out of a plantain. So please say thank you to your grandparents because this is not easy. Even with the technique, I struggled. Like any other starch, after I cut my plantains, I just let them soak in some water. The longer you let your onions soak in the vinegar, the more pickled they will be, and then you just want to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. The next morning, I just grabbed a pot, boiled some salt water, and threw in my plantains. Next, I'm going to coat some cheese in flour and just set them aside until they're ready to be fried. Now it's time to saute our onions that we let soak in vinegar overnight. When I was mashing the plantains, I realized I could have kept them in the water a little longer, so I definitely suggest just boiling them for extra softness. After the plantains boil, you will be needing that water, so set both of them aside for later. You also have the option to fry the salami and the cheese in this much oil. I just wanted to get it done and over with, so it worked, but it is super greasy. When we mash the plantains, now we will be adding that boiled water we saved and some butter. I just even out an even amount of each until I get the consistency that I want. So this was super fun to make. I did watch a couple of different recipe videos on YouTube to get where I got. So everyone does cook this differently, but all that matters is that it's the concept. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me cooking mangu con los tres golpes. There you go. Enjoy it.